We are here today to talk about the 5 key payroll compliances for the year 2025. We begin the year with the collection of the tax proofs or proof of investments from the employees for the year ended March 2025. It is important that the proofs that are collected are in line with the circular issued by the CBDT annually in the month of January. Next, related to this, it is also important that to keep updated on the recent changes in the regulations relating to the tax proofs. For example, the CBDT recently in the month of October released the Form 12BAA, which allows the employers to provide credit of TDS or TCS, which is provided to the employees on their any income other than salary. So it is important that the employers create this facility allowing the employees to submit this form, which allows employers to give the due credit to their employees while calculating their withholding taxes at the year end. Once the taxes are collected and deducted accurately and the withholding tax is done on the salary, it is also important that the same are reported accurately in the Form 24Q, which will be due in the month of May 2025. Particularly, the Annexure 2 of this form is very important to ensure that the Form 16 that is issued to the employee is prepared correctly and the employee is able to file their tax return with all the due details as per the employer's tax deduction. Now, on the labor law front, in the month of January, it is important to ensure that the year-end leave processing is done accurately. The employer needs to review and reconcile their leave balances, carry forward the balances as due and lapse the one which are not required to be carried forward, and update the payroll records correctly to ensure that the employee gets the accurate leave balance in the next year. And last but not the least, it is in the month of January, beginning from January to April, we will have the annual returns and renewals under the various labor laws, such as the Shops and Commercial Establishments Act, the professional taxes, so on and so forth. So the employer must ensure that all the forms are filed within the due date and the renewals are obtained to ensure they remain compliant for the year to come.